Hey there, this is Meet, one of the Splunk Trust and MVP member recognized by Splunk. The project that I'm submitting is CoverageForge. During the last 6 to 7 years, as a part of interaction as a Splunk PS with 100 plus customers, I have noticed one very specific issue where the customer is always looking for what is relevant to them, be it the data onboarding, be it the detection, or whatsoever. This project solves that problem by looking over customer specific data. What is the set of use cases or the category of the use cases enabled in their environment? Suggest the new use cases, write down the SPL searches for the same, and enable that everything within few minutes with the use of Splunk MCP server, as well as the AI assistant as well. So this is what I have been building for last few weeks. Problem being, there are dozens of searches and the data sources. This tool through MCP looks over field summary, specific command which I generally use to look over, what types of fields and everything is available. So it discovers is perform the gap analysis, what are MITRE tactics are covered and which should be covered in the next step. It writes the SPLs through the Splunk AI Assistant. It performs the deployment through Python SDK library and gives you a detailed report as well. The project is divided into seven phases specifically. Let's run and see. So it runs into two modes. One is the optimized and one being fooled. It looks over all of the T-stat searches and uh, gives you the list of source types and the number of events which are available. For this demo purpose, I have onboarded the bots data. It shows you the list of saved searches which are enabled right now and the current coverage. And it will ask you that in which specific category you want to have the new use cases for. So let's say I want to have something related to AWS, and I want just one source type to be analyzed and one new detection to be built. It should validate that as well. We don't need anything with respect to cyber kill chain. It will show you a summary and you can run the same. So you can see it is running something for the AWS CloudWatch logs. So project initially identifies what is there in your environment, be it saved searches, be it the set of events. Then it looks over the coverage as well. It then determines through AI what next you should enable. And right now, it is calling the Splunk AI Assistant in order to create the use case and the actual SPL search. Once that is built, it will ask that do you want to deploy the use case or not, and it will generate a detailed report onto that as well. So this is not just a static app or a list of use case or Splunk searches, which is there, and any customer can deploy that. This is very much specific to your data, your current coverage, be it for the MITRE or be it for the different set of category. And what you should enable as next. So you can see it generated the SPL for one use case. Now, just to validate that, it also performs the Claude command and it calls the API just to validate all of this thing. And at the end, it will ask that, hey, do you want to deploy this using Python SDK library or not? So you can see it automatically opened this report. It generated this. What's the coverage before and after? The save search Splunk AI assistants created automatically based on this specific source drive, which I have in my environment, based on this index which I have, and all of the other fields which it identified through the field summary command. So it generates a report, and at the end, it will ask that do you want to deploy the generated detection? I'll say yes. It will mention that, hey, I have created this with severity as high. Okay, let's go ahead and deploy that. It deployed successfully, and you can see the search as well. All of these use cases are even created through this project only in last few weeks, and we can see uh, it generated savesearch.conf as well, which you can have in your other environment. And here is the use case, and the search is created on the fly. So within few minutes, you can see based on what events you have, based on coverage that is there in your environment, a new use cases or a set of use cases can be created. For now, I just created one for the demo purpose, but of course, you can create as many as want. Yeah, so the entire documentation is over here, including the architecture diagram and everything. And yeah, this is what I've been working on for last few weeks. Thank you so much, everyone.